All right, I'm excited to walk you through the contact section here in Coldlytics. If you've been with us for a while, you know that we used to send you your list on a Google Sheet. Well, that was effective. It's not nearly as convenient as what I'm about to show you right now. So what we have in front of us is a view of all contacts I have sourced in my account. It's filtered by all tasks at this moment, but we can change this. Let's drill down and look at the list I had for med spas for a Black Friday promotion that we ran. You can see these are here. If we scroll through, all of these columns can be reorganized and you can put what's most important to you in different locations. You can manage all the columns. So previously, what you requested for your list was all that you got back for data points. And if you didn't request a specific data point, you were not able to add it later on very easily. Right now, you can come in and click columns here, and you can change what you're getting on this view. And what happens is when you export this data out as a CSV file, it will match whatever the view is that you've set up. So you can arrange all your columns here. And if you said, hey, I requested these 3 or 4 data points, but I forgot I really wanted phone numbers, no problem. Come on in here, add the phone number, data point, add the website data point, whatever it may be, click update, and you'll see that it has refreshed. And I can scroll all the way over and see there is the website column now, just like that. So this is going to save you a ton of time, make things really easy to manage your contacts. We also give you more in-depth information on email validation now. If you come over here to these icons and hover over them, it will tell you when we validated that email. So you know exactly how fresh that email is that you got in our system. And it's a nice quick shortcut to go, hey, this was valid as of this date. If you're reusing a list that maybe you got a couple of years ago, it's a good thing to check on that validation status and see if it probably makes sense to either have us revalidate it through a refresh of your list or through Zero Bounce or another platform of your choice, which is what we use, is Zero Bounce, as it says here. If we scroll down, it will tell you about the catch-all emails. So these are scored with AI, and we only provide you with catch-all emails that are 90% or more likely to be successful. But nonetheless, some of these will bounce, and so we've just marked them with this little caution icon to let you know, hey, some of these are more likely to bounce. And there's just some basic instructions here on, if you're not familiar with best practices, how to navigate that if you're sending a large volume of emails all at once. And the rule of thumb, for those who are not familiar, don't send all your catch-alls out at once. Drip them into the list, make sure they're blended in. That way, if you have a spike in bounces, you're not having that hurt your account. It's spread out over normal behavior of sending to plenty of valid emails, and it will never exceed 20% of the list you get back from us at all. So that's how it works. And as always, we still have our bounce-free guarantee in place. So if any emails bounce, definitely let us know. We'll credit that back to your account. That said, you can see there was a note here on this specific list. It's saying, hey, because we got this list prior to April 18th, 2025, some of these results may be inconsistent in the spreadsheet. So what happens is there is a couple of instances throughout some of your past lists, not necessarily the case for everyone, where a small percentage didn't make it from the Google Sheet into the updated part of the interface here. So if there's anything missing, you can always open up that Google Sheet. That remains available to you. And going forward, 100% of your results will be available in every list that you get and delivered here under the contacts section. So you'll be able to find this easily by clicking on contacts on the left-hand side. You can select whatever it is that you want to export at the time and come on over and export those specific results this way. And it will send you a CSV file, and it will also send you an email at the same time. If you have any questions on any of this, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Appreciate you using Coldlytics, and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.